Imagine stepping into a house where steel beams, concrete floors, and large windows create an open and airy atmosphere. Today, we're exploring an industrial house that perfectly illustrates how raw materials and sleek design can come together to create a strikingly modern home. Welcome to Green Home Living. An outdoor industrial patio with concrete flooring and metal furniture is transformed into a vibrant retreat by the addition of large planters filled with colorful flowers and greenery. This modern industrial kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful, with steel appliances and open shelving filled with pots of fresh herbs and flowers. The greenery adds both beauty and practicality. The cozy atmosphere of this industrial-style living room is achieved through a blend of leather and metal furniture, with the rustic coffee table at the center, adorned with a bouquet of wildflowers. Step into an industrial living room where the cool, modern design of steel beams and rough-hewn wood accents is transformed by an abundance of vibrant green plants. A cozy industrial-style bedroom with exposed brick walls and metal accents is brightened by the presence of bright bouquets of flowers. The colorful blooms bring a lively energy to the space. In this open-concept industrial loft, the raw beauty of exposed brick walls and sleek concrete floors is softened by the presence of lush greenery. Metal-framed windows stretch from floor to ceiling, allowing natural light to flood the space. In this industrial bedroom, the cool, sleek design of a steel bed frame and wooden accents is brightened by the presence of a large bouquet of sunflowers. Sitting on the bedside table, the flowers bring warmth and cheer to the space. A large, open-plan industrial living area with exposed beams and a high ceiling becomes cozy and inviting with the addition of delicate flowers in glass jars, scattered throughout the space. Thanks for joining us on this tour of an industrial house. If you're inspired by the fusion of industrial charm and modern design, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more home tours and design inspiration. See you in the next video.